In this lesson, I will explain to you the concept of laws of exponents. So see, this is a very tricky question. Here it says 5 square and then exponent 3 divided by 5 square parenthesis close and then whole cube. So there is a difference. There is a big difference between 2 exponent 3, or if the exponent is in parenthesis and then whole cube, right? If there is, I will show you the difference. If there is no parenthesis, just like this, it means you have 2 3 times like this. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 2 2 times 4 is 4 2 times 8. It means you can write down 5 power or exponent 8 and then divided by, right, here here is the parenthesis, so you cannot write down. It does not mean that 2 again is 3 times. It means you have to multiply the powers. 2 3 times 6, so this is division. We will write down 5 raised to power 6. If it is parenthesis, you have to multiply the exponents. If it is no parenthesis, so you have to write down 3 times whatever is here, not here, right? Not here, this one. So this is again simple division. Now the base is same. This is 5 exponent 8, 5 exponent 6. So you will write down 5 only one time and numerator will remain the same. How we will solve the question of division? If we have a same base, condition is base should be same, 5 5. So you can bring the exponent to the numerator. It will change its sign. 8 minus 6. Here it is positive. When we will bring this 6 exponent in the numerator, it will convert to negative. So 8 exponent minus 6, which will be equal to 5 square. And 5 square means 5 times 25. This is your answer. You cannot write down 5 2 times 10. No, it means you have 5 2 times. Right? Okay, I will explain one more example. So here x cube parenthesis and then square divided by x cube and then square. So there is a big difference between them. It means this is, you have to, if it is a parenthesis, you have to multiply the exponent. 3 2 times 6. So x power or exponent 6 divided by, here you have to write down 3 2 times. You have 3 2 times. You cannot write down that you have 2 3 times. No, 3 you have 2 times. 3 3 times 9. So it means its exponent is 9. Now is the simple division. So see, this is exponent 6 and this is exponent 9. You can take either one. You can take 9 in the numerator, or you can bring 6 to the denominator because we have the same basis. So I will do the both method. First we are bringing this 6 to the denominator, same base. So in the numerator you have only 1. Do not write down x, only 1, and then x is the base. In the denominator you have 9, and then this is coming down to the denominator. Its sign will change. Now here it is positive, but when it will come to the denominator it will be negative 6. And here I will write down it will be equal to 1 divided by x cube. So you can see, right, if you have a big power, bring the other portion to the numerator or denominator. Now I will show you what will happen if I will take this 9 to their same thing, x6. Now we are taking this exponent to the numerator, so it is positive 9, it will be negative 9. And then here you can write down x. 6 minus 9, So it is minus or negative 3. Plus minus minus, right? But you have to write down the sign which magnitude is bigger. So 9. 9 has a negative sign, so minus 9 is the answer. You can keep your answer here, but if you want more simplification, so 1 in the numerator, if you want to make it positive, x negative cube you have now. If you want to make it x cube, then you have to take this again to the denominator, x cube. So same thing, whatever we did here. Here what we did, because we know that 9 is greater than 6, so we bring 6 exponent to the denominator, automatically it was positive. But if you want, you can take this 9 to the numerator, then it will be minus 9, and x minus 9, if you want to make it positive, 1 divided by, then take this back to the denominator. I hope that this is clear. If you have still any question, please write down in the comment section. Thank you.